All right, guys. Today, let me load up the workspace. I thought I had it loaded up for y'all. It's here though. We're gonna do systems of equations, and we're gonna do them. We're gonna do them two ways. We're gonna do them on the calculator, and we're gonna do them on all the Inspire. And we're doing them on Desmo. So, go ahead and progress reports are due Friday, next Friday. Picture day is next 2 Mondays from now, and then we have a quiz next Tuesday. All right. So those are a couple of things. All right. So we're gonna talk about not we're gonna talk about systems, but not of inequalities, but of lines. So that's linear equations. All right. So we have three scenarios. We have one solution. That's where they cross, and we could just cross at a point. We have no solutions. Right. They don't cross. They're parallel lines, but that doesn't mean um, that doesn't. We don't call them parallel lines. We call it no solutions. Right. Because they never ever would cross. All right, and then same line. There's actually two lines right here. Sometimes we'll draw like an arrow like this. If you see like a double arrow, that means that's the same line. That means infinite many solutions. That means any point on that line is your solution. All right. The middle one would be no solution, and the one solution would be the point. All right. Now it's one solution, but the actual answer, the actual solution, the actual answer is the point. All right. So what you're going to do is I want you to go to your calculator, right? Um, and you're gonna press menu 3 2, and you'll press OK because you just want two equations. All right. And we're gonna type both them in. So we're gonna type in negative 2x minus 9y is equal to negative 25. Press down, and you'll type in negative 4x minus 9y is equal to negative 23. Negative 4x minus 9y is equal to negative 23. All right, and then press enter, and your solution is negative 1, 3. All right, so now you'll go to the workspace and find out where they cross at negative 1, 3. See where they cross. So this one crosses at negative 1, 3. So that's going to be our solution. This one crosses at negative 1, negative 3. And then this one crosses at 1, 3. All right. So negative 1, 3 is the one we're looking for. So we would circle that one. All right. So that's all we're doing. All right. So you're going to go to the calculator, press menu 3 2, and see which one is the solution. All right. Same thing for number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. All right. Now on this one, it says they give you this. It says if the graph of the second equation passes through point 0, negative 2, which statement is true? So they give you the first one. So you have to plot the points on the second one. So you'll plot 0, negative 2, and then you'll plot, so that one right there, and then you'll plot in green 4, negative 3, and then you'll connect the line and see if there's a solution. Now, if we connect it, which one of the three does it look like of a certain of our scenarios? Right, it looks like parallel lines, so that would be no solution. All right, so that's how you do on those. All right. So sometimes they'll give you one line and you have to create the other one with the points they give you. All right. Um, it says which graph best represents a system that has no solution. You can look on the notes for that one. Um, that one's kind of self-explanatory. That one's self-explanatory as well. So that's how you do it on the Inspire. Let me show you how to do it on the Desmos. You can graph both of them and just match up the graph, and or you can find out the intersection. So if you go to Desmos, right, and you want the graphing calculator, and you want to type in that first one, which is negative 2x minus 9y, negative 2x minus 9y equal is underneath 3. Excuse me, it's negative 25, right? Press enter. And then type in your other one, which is negative 4x minus 9y. And then you see how you can see the intersection right there. You can move your little cursor. You can also see that it matches up with that one. So you can do it like that too. All right, so you could use it on the Inspire, or you could do it on the calculator. Desmos, make sure you know how to do both. On the calculator, you would just do menu 3 to enter. If you want to check out an Inspire, send me an email and I'll leave one up at the front of the school and you can pick one up. Just shoot me an email, send me a message on Canvas, however it works for you. All right, and don't forget those 4 announcements we talked about. Progress reports, for sure due next Friday. Then we have a quiz next Tuesday. I know that's ways away, but just reminding you, right? Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Have a good night.